You can.
You're frying mushrooms.
Sautéing, Daddy.
Oh. Pardonnez-moi. The Katie chef is sautéing the mushrooms. Careful, bug. Be careful.
I know you do.
You gotta be very careful, Katie Bug.
Okay.
Don't touch the pan, remember.
Hold the handle. Pour it slow. Good job! Wow, I don't think I could have done that.
You didn't touch the pan. That's great,
Excellent, Katie Bug.
That's
Just a little mess.
It's
That's
a little
okay, Mom.
tiny,
You'll get that.
Just a little teeny tiny spill. That's great, Katie.
You did great.
Okay, now you got to start stirring the eggies, but don't touch the pan. Remember, the pan is very hot. That's
Don't
good.
stir them too crazy because they'll come flying out.
Right. Just very, very
Stir 'em
gentle.
gently.
Very gentle.
I made a bigger mess.
Nah. You're doing a great job, Katie Bug.
My Oma used to drop them on her toe and they start burning.
Yeah?
Ouch.
When she was making eggs.
When she was making eggs, she would drop them on her toe.
And it tickled.
It tickled.
But I want to cook it. She ate it without cooking it. I said, "Stop, Oma! It's not cooked yet."
And did she stop?
No.
No, she ate it without cooking it?
Oh my goodness. Little chef, that's what we'll call you.
A big chef.
Big chef?
A big chef.
You be careful not to touch that pan because you would hurt yourself. So be very careful.
Mommy, your turn now.
Okay.
Do we put one of those in there?
Yeah, I'm going to let this in.
Why?
Because you're going to make spinach and mushroom eggies.
I don't like it in there.
I know, you can pick it out when you eat it.
You just stir it around and it'll cook the spinach for you.
I'm a chef. Mommy, I'm a chef.
There you go.
Good job, Katie Bug. Careful not to touch the pan. You're doing a good job. Yay,
Yay, Chef
Katie!
Katie!